The red curry paste is one of main ingredients in many Southeast Asian dishes. Here are some examples. Fish rice noodle soup, Lao sausage, steamed red curry fish, Thai fish cakes, rice noodle soup with pork, red curry and coconut milk, vegetarian Thai curry. I'm going to show you how to make the traditional Thai red curry paste. For this, we will need a mortar. If the dry red chilies from the grocery stores are too hot for you, you can dry some sweet chilies at home for a few weeks at room temperature. Remove the seeds from the dry red chilies. Soak them in water for 20 minutes. Wring them out and dry them. Finely slice them. And keep them aside. Remove the less fragrant parts and the hard little end of the lemongrass. Finely slice them. Finely slice as well 10 grams of galangal. Chop the coriander roots. Take 5 kaffir lime leaves. Remove the hard part at the base of the leaves. Line them up tightly. And finely slice them. Also cut 70 grams of shallots. And 20 grams of garlic. Take 5 grams of shrimp paste. All the ingredients are ready. We can now mash. Each ingredient must be finely ground. Thus we can obtain curry paste with a good texture. Crush in the following order: the dry red chilies with a half teaspoon of salt, the lemongrass, the galangal, the kaffir lime leaves, and the coriander roots. Five grams of coriander seeds, a pinch of cumin seeds, a pinch of peppercorns, the shallots, the garlic, and the shrimp paste. the ingredients are well mashed and mixed in the mortar. This gives a traditional Thai curry paste with the perfect texture. It can be used immediately in a recipe or stored for several weeks in the fridge. It is very easy to make small portions wrapped in film and keep it in the freezer. Put a good dose in your recipes. Your dishes will be delicious and well flavored. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.